time and it is not at all a good product. Don't waste your money on this. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mubarakah Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. For this video, I am testing out few new makeup products which I have got recently, and this is gonna be my first impression to all those products as well. These are some of the really hyped makeup products, so make sure you watch this video till the end to know how it works. And this is the makeup look that I will be creating in this video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, and let's get started with this video. So let's start with the first product, and I have a primer. Now this primer is from Swiss Beauty. It's their Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. Now the price for this one is 349 rupees. Now lately a lot of people are raving about this product, and even I am a big fan of illuminating primer. So I wanted to give this one a try and see how it works. So I've already done my skincare and now I'm going to prep my skin using this primer. I love the fact that it comes in a glass bottle. Let's take one pump of it. It reminds me of a MAC primer, like the strobe cream. And it smells pretty good. So it has definitely made my skin look very glass-like, like it has given me that glow. But from up close there are some glitter particles on my face, like it has some glitter particles. So if you are someone who doesn't like to have a lot of glitter on your face, you might stay away from this. But if you are a lover of illuminating primers, you are definitely gonna love this one. Now for the next new makeup product, I have a color correcting palette, and this one is from Insides Makeup. The price for this one is 175. Now this one comes with 6 different color correcting shades. So far it looks amazing. Now let's see how it works. I'm gonna pick up the peach shade and I'll apply it on my under eyes to cancel out the darkness. I'm mainly focusing on the inner parts of my eyes as it is the most darkest area around my eyes. And I am using this green color corrector, and I'll use it on the areas where I have red spots. Okay, so I'm using my fingers to blend this in. Okay, so as you can see, it has cancelled out all the darkness around my eyes as well as my mouth area, and also it has cancelled out all the redness on my cheeks area, which is good. So far this product has worked beyond my expectations, and I never thought that a product worth rupees 175 would give such an amazing result. Okay, so the next product that I have is this foundation from Colorbar. Now this foundation is priced at rupees 995 and I got this shade FC 3.2. Now this one comes with a tube packaging and it has a pump dispenser on the top, which is really good. Now this one is called 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation, and this comes in 30 different shades, which is amazing. Now this one claims to be a long lasting as well as hydrating foundation, so we are gonna test that out today. Now I'm really not sure whether I have picked up the right shade or not. Let's see together. I'm gonna start with taking one pump of this foundation. So the consistency is very creamy and I think the shade matches me really well, so I have done a pretty good job. Now for me, I do not prefer applying foundation with a brush. I always use a sponge, so that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, this blended very quick and it has a medium coverage. I can still see some of my marks which I did not do color correcting on. Okay, so the one pump of foundation gave me this much coverage, which I am really happy with, and I'm gonna take, I think, one more pump. So this is how the foundation looks like on my skin. It has definitely given me a very luminous kind of a finish and not matte, and also it has managed to cover 80% of the color correction around my mouth. So far I really like this product and I'll keep you updated. For concealer, we again have a Swiss Beauty product, and this is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and this one retails for rupees 199. Now this one again seems to be a very hyped product around the market, and I thought of giving this a try as well. I'm going to work on one eye at a time because I really don't know how quick this one settles. Wow. The first impression is really good. It got blended very easily. Now I'll quickly do my other eye. I totally understand the hype of this concealer. It is very nice, it is hydrating, and it blends like a dream. So right now I really like it. Let's see how it works for a prolonged period of time. Okay, so before setting my face, I have another cream product to try out. Now this one is from the brand Seri, and it's their Flashlight Blusher Stick. This one is priced at rupees 649, and I have got the shade B3 Coral Cat. Now this is my first time to try out a cream blush. Before this I have never owned a cream blush. I always use my lipsticks as a cream blush. The color looks really pretty. I'm just taking a little bit on the back of my hand, and with the help of the sponge I'm gonna pick it and apply it on the cheeks. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I really like the color. Now for this side I'm straight away going in with the stick and not with the sponge, because the sponge is definitely eating a lot of product. So I'm gonna apply and try to blend it with my fingers. Okay, so it definitely blended very well with the fingers as well, and it took very less product on this side compared to this one. Okay, so I have set my face and this is how my base looks like. I really like how it looks. I really like this glow on my face that the foundation and the primer is giving me. Okay, so lately I have been obsessed with Nykaa Oh My Brow Eyebrow Mascara. I've been really loving the finish of an eyebrow mascara. Like if you're about to go somewhere and you quickly want to do your eyebrows, it's so easy, it's so handy. So I went ahead and got a new eyebrow mascara product. Now this one is from Color Bar. It's their Brow Me Fiber Mascara. The price for this one is 699 rupees. I'm really excited to see how this works. The wand is very tiny compared to the Nykaa one, and I think this is going to be much more easier to fill in the front part. So I'm going to start from the middle. Okay, so it has dried very quickly and it has set my eyebrow hairs in place, which is good. Now this one claims to have a fiber in it, which I think is right, because it has definitely filled in a lot of my empty gaps in my eyebrows. Alright, so for my eyes, I do not have a new eyeshadow palette, but I have this palette from Makeup Revolution, which I have barely used twice, and I was also in a mood to do neons today, so let's test this palette out. Okay, so I did one eye off camera and now we'll do this eye, and then I'll let you know my final words on this palette. So I'm using these lashes from Hilary Rhoda. Now I got these lashes for rupees 100, and I would say if these last for at least even 10 uses, I would say it is worth it, and this really seems good quality. It does not feel like it's fake. So after struggling for half an hour on this eye, I have came on my final verdict on this palette, which is just don't waste your money on this palette. It is the worst palette I have ever used. I don't know why did I get this at the first place. I think the neon just made me very excited, but they are not at all pigmented. The top two rows are all shimmer shades, which makes it more worse to work with, and this has more fallout than the pigment it has in the shadows. It is not at all a good product. Don't waste your money on this. So for my mascara today, I'm gonna use this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. For kajal today, I'm gonna go in with this purple kajal. So I'm gonna use this for the first time, so let's see how it works. Now it has done a pretty good job. It is very creamy and pigmented at the same time. Now I have very watery eyes, so I don't know how long would it stay. I will definitely keep a check on that. For my lipstick, I'm using this purple lip crayon and it's their Playtime Soft Matte in the shade Never Have I Ever. Alright, so this is the final look. I am in love with the outcome, especially the base. I'm not so much in love with the eyes, but I love the base and I am really liking it so far. And if there were any products which you were eyeing for a really long time and you think you would get it after watching this video, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely love to read your comments. Let me know in the comment section below which was the product that impressed you the most. For me, it was the color correcting palette and the foundation. It really blew my mind. These products worked really well. I will definitely include a check-in after a few hours to see how these products have performed, so watch out for that. If this video helped you in any which ways, do not forget to give this a thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you next week with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye. Hi from Future Mubaraka. So this is a makeup check-in and this is how my face looks like. I'm pretty much impressed with the foundation and the concealer. So I did went out for few hours and I did wear mask, so I would say this is not a mask proof makeup. Of course, the makeup did come off on this area, like my upper lip area and from a little bit from the jaw, but other than that the foundation is all good and there is no such creasing whatsoever from the concealer, so yay for that as well. And the blush is still there, which is great. And eyeshadow, however, I don't like it from the very beginning. The inner corners are about to go, and I would say the lashes are very comfortable as well. I've been wearing them for 4 hours and I don't feel like removing them. Like, it's not heavy on the eyes, so that is good as well. And yeah, see you.